morning. I am Srileka, Department of Chemistry. On the previous sessions, I have discussed about how the polymers can be converted into the polymers in the form of an applications related to this properties. So the polymers and the major role, which is based on the styles of creative by using in this nowadays. So already we have discussed about what's the nylon, how the nylon can be carried out in the formation of the fibers, and the fiber materials, how this related to this in the chain linkage polymerization reaction by using in the form of adipic acids. And the hexamethylene diiodine and adipic acid as a monomer to convert as a product of the polymer, that is nylon acids. And with the second type, we have already discussed about how the bakelite is converted as in the formation of the phenol and formaldehyde. So the phenol and the formaldehyde, which is the main sources of the bakelite structures, it can be converted by using the form of formaldehyde and in the formations of acid and alkali groups, which is present in this. There is a main sources of converting the monomer product as a monomer. So the monomer as a monomer product, which is again converting it with this formaldehyde, and it will react in the formation of a CH2 group to convert as a polymer, that is bakelite. Now we are going to see about on the topics of an polylactic acid. So other than the types of polymers, the monomer we are converting by using the formation of a plastic materials. So only the material of polylactic acid here, the monomer we are converting it from this plant starch and sugarcane and in the formation of a sugarcane pulp. So the sugar in these materials can be converted by using the form of lactose and in the formation of a lactic acid. By fermenting the materials into this with the 200 to 300 degrees Celsius, we are converting in this process by the lactic acid. So there is so many formation of lactic acid in the formation of milk products. So the milk products can be carried out with the formation of lactic acid by using in the form of yeast. So the materials can be converting the more sufficient of lactic acid has been carried out in these reactions. So the monomer of lactic acid is started by the formation of fermented plant starch and born from this sugar juice. So here the lactic acid which has in the formula for converting CH bond CH3 OH bond C double bond O OH. So this is the formation for formula of monomer, that is lactic acid. CH3 OH C double bond O OH. So under the presence of a mild condition by heating with the 200 to 300 degrees Celsius in the presence of a catalyst as a hydroxide, it will react in the formation of a with the removal of water molecules and it will react as the product of a polylactic acid. So with the removal of water molecules, we will get the product like CH3 C double bond O and with the bond O will grow. So here the double bond makes of the single bond, which is the whole number of nuclear units of N, which is converting as a polylactic acid. So the polylactic acid which have been derived from the formation of the types, there are so many types of lactic acid which have been discussed about in the formation of a monomer. So the lactic acid is considered as a major resistant and water resistant material, and it has a more durable materials, chemically mechanical properties, and it has a good electrical properties. So whenever the lactic acids can be used in the formation of a thinking and in the other types of polymers, we are converting as a type of monomer. So the monomer is the main role, plays a very important type in this polylactic acid in the form of a sugar and a sugar cane. So these has been carried out in the formation of a colored substance which has been using in the form of a sugar. So the sugar has a very high sucrose level and the lactose level, and it has been converted into a soluble substance which has used in this. Only the organic solvents can be used like in this material. It has a good mechanical and electrical properties, and in the formation of lactic acid, it is converted as in the good optical electrical properties. Also, it is in the main sources how we are converting the monomer as a lactic acid to this polymer of a polylactic acid. And applications related to this polylactic acid is used in the water resistant material, and it has a durability during this types of properties. Remember, we have these types of properties by using the lactic acid. The acid plays a major role, whether it is a fermented of lactic acid, it is a major process by using this time of 8 hours to 10 hours time. By calculating these types of values, the lactic acid, polylactic acid, it has a major role by converting the structure formation. Thank you.